Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will show you how to reset your Microsoft account password for logging into your Windows 11 PC or laptop. By following this method, you can reset your Windows 11 login password and keep your files and data safe. Let's start. Open any web browser and log in to the password reset link provided in the description box. Copy and paste that link in the address box and hit enter. Right now, you will get the recovery window. Enter your registered mobile number or Microsoft email ID here and click next. Then again, enter the last 4 digits of your registered mobile number that was provided at the time of Windows 11 activation. Then click Get Code to receive the OTP. Pass the CAPTCHA by press and hold the button until it finishes. Then enter the OTP received in your registered mobile number. Now here is the password reset option. Enter a new 8-digit password and re-enter it. Click Next to set the new password. After completing the resetting process, log in to your Windows 11 using the new password. That's it. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also, make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.